Hey guys, what's going on? It's Munz. So today I want to go over something that's very important in your business if you're trying to build it online. And that is how to use Facebook to build your list. We all know we have to, build our list, and let's face it, the majority of your prospects are already on Facebook. So if we can do everything right on Facebook and just keep them there, it'll make it a lot easier for you. Okay, let's go over how to do that. It's real simple. You're going to need a very low cost to free tool that you can get it for free, but if it's not, you could start off at a very low cost version of it, and it just works beautifully. So what it does is it creates these custom application tabs on your fan page. So as you can see, I have a few of them set up here. Okay, so what I'll do is just click on one of them, because what it's going to do is going to bring me to the page, but it's also going to bring me to the back office for this application, so I don't have to go logging in elsewhere if I need to make any adjustments or create any new pages. Okay, it's right here on Facebook. I don't have to leave, like I said, I don't have to leave the site. So I'm going to go to my pages list, and I'm going to add another page. Okay, and if you have several pages that you own or you're admin on, as I am, you want to make sure you select the correct page, put in your phone number, email address, and here's the page title. So we'll just make this demo. Okay, now one of the great things about this tool is it has many different pre-made pages for different network marketing companies. Okay, so what you're going to do is we're going to go to direct sales now. That's the kind of page. That's the kind of person they're going to ask, how we're doing this, what type of business we're using it for. And now here's the part where it has different companies. So we just scroll down. Let's click on that one for now. And what you're going to see, as you see, it's all point and click. It's very simple to set up. And here we go. Okay, so your page comes set up with a piece of media, a video. It's already with Vima. And then we have some text down here that is talking about the company. And this will be your call to action button. Okay, and this is where you're going to be able to build your list. All right, and it's great. You have some place for interaction for people that are here on Facebook that love your content and love what you do, and they can comment and show some real good interaction here. So to edit all this, real simple. We're going to go to content, and brings up these editing bars, these editing buttons. So to get rid of demo, just Vima. Okay, subtitle. Obviously, just doing this very quickly, and you could also change, later I'll show you can change the font of it. You can change all, you can customize it any way you want. So now for this middle section, if I wanted to change any of the text that was in here or a different video, if I had my own video that I wanted to put in about me talking about Vima, it's not my company, but just for argument's sake, and I had a YouTube video, I could put that video URL in here and it can go there. If I wanted to take them to a hangout that I'm doing on Vima, a training hangout, helping my team learn more and build their business and get leads, whatever it might be, I can send them there. Vimeo video link, 22S feed. 22S is 22Social, the name of this application. You can get a feed number from there and send them there. There's all sorts of different things that you can do. And here's where you can customize whatever you want to say in the text. We'll leave what they have in there about the company already. Okay, now again, this leaves us with this action button here, claim your invitation. Okay, so we want to edit that. I'm going to go to buttons. Okay, instead of claim your invitation, we can put work with Joe. Request info. You can send to a URL, so you can send them to a Vima page. Maybe your page with your user ID, right? So we can put them there. Now what I'm going to do here is, once we save this, I'm going to show you how you use that button to build your list. Okay, so we go to save. And we go to SRM, Social Relationships Manager, and to Advanced Settings, we're going to go to CRM, and it's going to ask what provider. You can link this to Aweber, Autoresponder, Infusionsoft, GVO, or GetResponse. So if you have any one of these, you can link it to that provider, and then you can add whichever list is appropriate. So I'll do Aweber. Now we click Set Up Aweber. And put in my information. Allow access. Okay, so Aweber's successfully set up. So we click Save. So now we're going to go back to that. I'm going to edit. Okay, now back to edit content again. I'm going to go to buttons. Now you're going to see it's going to give me an option for whatever Aweber list that I want to have this associated with. So I would pick, none of these are going to apply, so I'm not going to click any of these. But you would click the one that applies for you, click preview, and it may not ask me to save since I didn't change anything, but if I change something it would ask me to save, and I save it and I'm all set. So when you show them this video, which is either you or the one that's already provided to you about Vima, and you give them a reason that they want to join the party, okay, so what they do is when they click that button, they're added to your Aweber list, and now you can continue to communicate with them, provide them with value, okay, and build that list, which is so important. Now, as I said, this is also very customizable. And if I want to edit that and edit some different versions, I can edit the color. I can get rid of the funky orange color if I want. Let's go something a little bit more neutral. I could add some textures. Let's get a nice checkerboard texture in there. I can make the font black. That doesn't work too well. Alright, that background's a little too dark for that. Oh, so make it white. Point and click. Very, very easy to customize it. I can change the font here. Okay, so I'll show you something that, I don't know, maybe is a little bit more drastic. You can see that the font does change. So you see, again, very different font. You just find the one that fits your eye, okay, and you can change it all up. So that's how you do this. Now, there's going to be some more videos I'm going to put out that will show you how to tie this process, okay, and this particular application into a marketing funnel. Okay, again, very, very simple, real easy to set up, and it works like magic. Now, there's a couple different versions of this site, of these applications, and you can get a free version, which is okay to start, but in all honesty, I would recommend going pro right away, because it's only going to cost you $2, I think, for the first month, and after that it's $22 a month. But if you refer people to this, as soon as you get 3 referrals, you get people, 3 of your team, 3 people on your team to use this application, yours is free. And it's such a great tool, it works so good that that's in a heartbeat you can do that. Okay? Because the main reason you want to go with the pro version, there's really 2 reasons. First off, that's the one you're going to be able to build your list with. Okay, the other ones, the free version is not integrated with Aweber and the other autoresponders. And the other reason is that the pro version makes all these pages and applications viewable on mobile devices. So if somebody's on their phone and they're checking you out on Facebook and seeing all the information you put out, and you lead them to this, right? You lead them to this application, they can see it on their phone. Okay, with other versions and many other tab applications, you can't do that. So that's why you really just step it up, do the $2 for the first 30 days, and within the 30 days, you'll be able to get it in a heartbeat. You'll be able to get 3 people to use this. It's such a great tool. Okay, so to get this, what you need to do is click on the link below in the video description. You can get your copy of this, get your version of it, and start rocking. It's fantastic. All right, as I said, stay tuned for another video to show you how to sort of integrate this into your marketing on Facebook. Thanks, guys. See you soon. Bye.